There won't be any more Google Sheet tricks. Absolutely no more Google Sheet tricks. There won't be any in my future. No Airtable, no Excel, no Multiplan, no Lotus 123, not even Open Office, no LibreOffice. Baby, I found the new itch to scratch. It's feeling groovy. It has returned, been resurrected. It's come for revenge. It's VisiCalc. VisiCalc 2023, baby. The original VisiCalc was created 40 plus years ago, and today it's back. I will walk you through exactly how VisiCalc 2023 works. Get a copy for yourself in the description below. Totally free. VisiCalc 2023 coming at ya. So glad you've chosen to bring VisiCalc into your life, and I want to show you a little bit of a walkthrough of how to use it. First off, make sure once you're at bettersheets.co/VisiCalc on the sheet, you make a copy to your drive. Yes, this is going to be inside of Google Sheets, so it'll be inside of your Google Drive. But here we go. We're going to get a user guide included with this VisiCalc for free. You're also going to get a command structure, and I'll go through a few of these commands here to walk you through how to use VisiCalc. VisiCalc is here on the VisiCalc tab, and make sure that you go up to, once you have a copy in your Google Drive, the first thing you do, number one thing, go up to the VisiCalc menu. Go to Install VisiCalc. Click this button. This is the most important thing to do right away. Click Install VisiCalc. It'll run a script, and you'll get a serial number. Just like original VisiCalc, you have a serial number, and you can do with this as you please. Just make sure to keep it in a valuable place. It is a valuable item. Keep it in a safe place. We finish that script. Now, what are you able to do? One thing that you are able to do, which I do recommend you give it a shot, give it a try, is go to your settings and change color. I have a couple presets here. I have this green, wonderful green, and I set the color to white as well. So if you don't like white, if you like green more, you can always set the color back to green. Or you can choose any hex code you want. As long as you remember the hex code, you just type it in here, settings, change color, type in the hex code. You could do FFFF. That's all white, and it should change it to back to white, right? If you do want it just color green, go ahead, use color green. I love it myself. All right, next up is you can go to any place in the sheet by going to the command in this B2 area, going to greater than, and then right here you can go to B1, let's say. And if we want to change this, and it'll highlight, that means it's the active cell. If you go to this black bar, which is the command prompt line as well, you can enter anything you want. Maybe we want to change that header to numbers. There you go. It is now changed. If you want to go back to A1, you can do greater than A1. You can also type in HOME for home, and that will bring you back to A1. If as you're working with your spreadsheet software and you want to save your work, you can go up to the command prompt line and hit /S. That will save your work in a new tab here. That saves your work as you're working. Google Sheets continues to save your work consistently, so maybe you want a stopping point, you want something saved, and it also includes the date and the time that was saved. If you do want to print, you can do /P for print, and this will save a PDF copy to your Google Drive. If at any time you forget your serial number, you do have it here. You can go /V to get the version. VisiCalc in Google Sheets made by bettersheets.co. There you go. And if you want to put a new sum together, add up all of these cells, you can go to, let's go here. Let's go to B7. And let's enter here we're going to enter at sum from B1. We need to do 3 dots, and then we want to do B7. There we go. We're going to enter that into our here. Sorry, it needs to be all caps SUM, and you can do B1 to B7. And here we go. We have sum B1 to B7. It will interpolate it into modern Google Sheets traffic. If you want to change the format, we can do /FD for default, or $$ if we want to change the format to $, or if you want to change the percentage, you can do /F%, and it will change and no worries about using all of the cells. We have a limitation here at VisiCalc. VisiCalc was a memory-heavy spreadsheet software in a very small computer, so you cannot, and you will not be able to add any columns here to the right or the left. You cannot add more. You are limited. Thankfully, we are out of memory if you try to add any rows or columns. This prevents you from having to suffer from too much other things, right? Too much distraction of too many cells and things. This is very good for limited, focused work in spreadsheet software. I hope you enjoy the limited focus time you can enjoy using VisiCalc and using this VisiCalc template. Of course, this has been published on April 1st, so it is a bit of an April Fool's Day joke, but it does work. You can go download it below, get a copy, share it with your boss. If you know any maybe octogenarians or septuagenarians, maybe who used VisiCalc 40 years ago, or if you even know some Lotus 123 fans or some retro spreadsheet users, if you know anyone, share them on this video and share them on the template below. Also, if you are a Better Sheets member, you got this template early. You also got videos on how I built it, the design behind it, design choices, and also the app script that I use inside it. I go through it and share a little bit of interesting tidbits there if you're a Better Sheets member. So go ahead, check it out below. It is absolutely free. Get VisiCalc 2023. Enjoy.